In today's class, we are taking a look at division of labor. Division of labor is the breaking of production processes into smaller units or processes, with each process being undertaken by a worker or group of workers. Division of labor is a complex process mainly practiced in industry where workers specialize in the production of a small portion of a production and may not see the end product and may not make use of it. Origin of division of labor. Adam Smith, 1723 to 1790, popularly called the father of economics, established the theory of division of labor in 1776. He visited a pin-making factory place where he found out that 18 processes are involved with only 10 men working there producing 20 pins a day. He concluded that if each process is handled by different individuals, more pins will be produced. The theory was applied, and as a result 48,000 pins were produced daily. This development was the origin of modern-day division of labor. Examples of division of labor. Division of labor in domestic work. Division of labor in factory or industry. Territorial division of labor among separate firms, example, textile industry. Extensive division of labor among different countries. Advantages. It leads to higher productivity. It encourages specialization. Creation of job opportunity is possible. There is product standardization. It saves a lot of production time. It encourages the use of machines. Work becomes less fatigue. Easy training of workers. It encourages inventions and innovations. Disadvantages. Monotony of work. Decline in craftsmanship. The use of machine reduces employment opportunities. Some machine can badly affect the health of the workers. Increase in interdependence among individuals and industries. Limitations. The size of the market, the extent to which goods and services produced are demanded will determine whether or not division of labor will be applied, since the main reason for it is to increase supply. The nature of the product. Certain responsibilities or services cannot be divided, example, haircutting, driving, farming, and so on. Availability of factors. Inputs, example, labor. Capital availability. Level of technology availability. Managerial competence. Technical difficulties.